Before the live integration sessions begin, I want to help you get oriented to the foundations we'll be standing on together. Not in a way that adds pressure, not in a way that turns this into homework. This is about shared language, not mastery. Reality transurfing can feel very different depending upon how you first encounter it. Some people read the book years ago. Some have watched the videos or taken courses, and some are encountering the ideas for the very first time. Wherever you are is perfectly fine. What matters is that we're speaking the same language when we're together in the live sessions. That's why, before week 1, I recommend reviewing 2 pieces of material. The first is the Reality Transurfing Intro Series. This is the wake-up moment for most people, the realization that choice is real, that reality is responsive, and that the lifeline you want already exists. It gently shifts the question from how do I create the life I want to how do I stop interfering with a life that's already available? The second is Reality Transurfing core concepts. This goes a little deeper into the 3 pillars that we'll reference throughout the 10 weeks. Choice, how you relate to what's happening. Pendulums, where energy gets pulled without you realizing it. And the wave of fortune, how favorable lifelines begin to cluster when pressure drops. You don't need to fully understand all of this right now. In fact, trying to understand everything up front often gets in the way. The purpose of reviewing this material is simply familiarity. So when something comes up during a live session, it feels recognizable rather than confusing. Many participants spend time revisiting these foundations in the weeks leading up to our first live call. That preparation is intentional. It gives awareness time to settle before we begin working with the lived experience. Move through these materials at your own pace. You're never behind. And there's nothing you need to catch up on. This is just about creating a shared ground so we can move together calmly when the integration phase begins.